So good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Remember,
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
you remember what we were continuing with? Word problems, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
We have reached that. Did we reach the third slide? Paramits. We were,
Application of
no, ma'am.
simple equations.
Last question. Can you read? Baja, can you read the last question we did?
I don't have with me the question. Answer.
I have sent both questions and answers in WhatsApp. I have sent it. It is the answer for the slide. That question we didn't. That's question you didn't copy.
Application of symbols in life, real life.
That I know. I'm asking. Last question was about that Parmits have this question. I'll show the slide. Then you remember. Okay. It is lost. So I'll take another one.
Ma'am, I will tell the last question.
Okay. Which was that?
Anwar thinks a number. If he takes away 7 from 5/2 of the number, the result is 23.
No, that's okay. We'll see. I'll show you the slides. Then you will understand. Okay. I can show you the slides. Then you will come to know. Okay.
Ma'am, next.
This one. Last one. Okay.
Thinks a number.
Thinks a number. If he takes away 7 from 5/2 of the number, the result is 23. We have completed that problem.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll go
K
to
is
see where we'll go to see the next slide. That is this one. Okay. Read the question. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. Okay, read the question. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmit have? So, what is the answer? So,
7 plus x5 is equal to 37.
1 minute.
7 plus 5x is equal to 37.
7 plus 5
5x plus 7. 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. Good. Hello, who is speaking? Children, switch off the speakers
Okay.
if you want to speak. Others, to others.
രാവിലെ
Ma'am, can you show that slide again?
നമ്മൾക്ക്
Afridi, who is speaking now? Who is speaking now? Switch off the speakers. If you are phoning up to somebody, don't know, it should not be heard here. If you are in the class, don't speak to others.
Ma'am, can you show that old slide again?
Yes. Yeah. You can read the question and try to answer it. See the question. This is the question. Okay. So we were doing, Irfan says that he how many marbles does Parmit have? Let Parmit have X marbles. See the question, then frame the equation. Parmit have let pyramid have how much? X. X number of marbles. X marbles. So, what does Irfan says? He has 7 marbles more than
5 times.
5 times pyramid have, isn't it?
Yes.
So,
5x plus 7.
what is yeah,
5x
Irfan
plus
has 37 marbles. So 37 is equal to how much? 7 marbles more than 5 times 5 times marbles with pyramid. 5x. 5 times
5x plus 7.
5x plus
7.
7. 5 plus 7.
So we can write the equation in this way. 5x plus 7 is equal to 37.
37.
37.
Yeah. So solve it.
Ma'am,
Find out
x
the
is equal to 6.
X is equal to 6.
6.
x is equal to
6.
x is equal to 6. Very good. So because 5x is equal to 37 minus 7.
37
So,
minus 7.
30. 30. 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5.
30.
Divided
30
by
divided
5.
by 5.
Is equal to 6.
Answer is 6. X is equal to
30
6.
divided by
So you have to write
x is equal to
Parmit's number of marbles with Parmit is equal to 6.
6.
So number of marbles with Parmit is equal to 6. Answer.
പാവ പറഞ്ഞു എഴുതി പഠിക്കടാ. പറഞ്ഞു എഴുതി പഠിച്ചോട്ടാ.
5x is equal to 37. So answer is 6. Okay. Now we will go to the next question.
ബാഗിലുണ്ടടാ. ബാഗ്.
Take this. Okay, read the. It's gone. Read this question. What we were doing. Just gone. There was a question which we were doing. No? Insert it once more. Yeah, this one. So next question you read. Next question is, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 49 years old. Lakshmi's father's age is 49. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? What is the question?
First take
Lakshmi's
Lakshmi's
age is the
age.
question.
4 is
So
equal to
so first we
4
will
plus
write
3x.
x.
let Lakshmi's age is equal to x.
Equal to 49.
Okay. So
4x,
first
4
one we will
plus
write
3x is equal to
uh,
49.
let Lakshmi's age Lakshmi's age is equal to x. So
Three-
Lakshmi's
3x.
father's age is how much? 49. So 49 is equal to how much?
9 is equal to
He is,
3x.
that is 49 means
3x.
4 years
Yes, plus
older
4.
than 3 times Lakshmi's age.
X is equal to 16.
3x,
Ma'am,
3
3x
times
plus
Lakshmi's
3x
age.
plus 4.
3x
Plus
plus 4 is
4.
equal to
3x
49.
plus 4.
3x
3x plus 4. 4.
Answer
is
is
equal to 49.
3x is equal to, so we can write 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. Find out, solve
Mama,
it.
x is equal to 15. 15.
15. Very good.
X
X is equal to 15. Now, see this 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. So 3x will be equal to 49 minus 4. So 3x is equal to how much? 45. So x is equal to 45 by 3. X is equal to 15. Okay. Answer, x is equal to 15. Clear. So Lakshmi's age is equal. At last, you have to write the answer. Lakshmi's age is equal to Lakshmi's age is equal to 15 years. Last answer. Okay. Now read this question. Last one. People of Sundargram here. Look, people of Sundargram planted trees in a village garden. Okay, people of Sundargram is a village. Okay, name of a village. Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were two more than. So they have planted both fruit trees and non-fruit trees. Okay. So non-fruit trees were two more than 3 times the number of fruit trees.
Ma'am,
What was the number of fruit trees planted?
ma'am,
If the number of non-fruit trees was 77.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
and 3x plus 2 is equal to 77.
ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Correct.
Can you please show the first page of question?
That is only one sentence that the people of Sundargram planted non-trees, this one. People of Sundargram planted trees in a village garden. Some of the, no need to copy the question, I will send it. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Only listen to it, okay? And answers you write. So find out. Next, it is this. Some of them were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the fruit trees. Find out the answer. Find out
X is equal to
Ma'am, x is
25.
equal to
25.
55. X is equal to 25.
X is equal to
And 25.
25.
X is equal to 25.
25.
Okay, so the question is this. Some of the people have in the Sundargram, that is the village, planted some fruit trees and some non-fruit trees. The fruit trees were 3 times, 2 more than 3 times the non-fruit trees. So, what is it? Sorry, non-fruit trees were 3 times more, 2 times more than 3 times the
Number of
2
fruit
more
trees.
than 3 times the non-fruit. So, number of fruit trees is equal to X. T, number of fruit trees is equal to T, will suppose number of fruit trees. Question is, non-fruit trees was 77. What is the question? Find the number of fruit trees. So, number of fruit trees is equal to let. Let number of fruit trees is equal to T. T we can suppose T. Tree no. So, anyway, any letter you can suppose, no problem. Now, for a difference, I am saying let it be T. Okay, T. Now, so according to the question, I can write it as 77 is the non-fruit trees. That is equal to 3T
3T
plus
plus
2.
2.
T plus 2 is equal to 77.
2 is equal to 7.
3T is equal to 77 minus 2.
7 minus 2.
3T is equal to 7.
7 minus 2. 73 equals 75.
By 3
75 equal to 75 by 3.
So, 75 by 3, 25 is the answer.
25 is answer.
Okay, now we can, last step you have to write, that it is the number of, what is asked? Fruit trees. So, last step, number of fruit trees.
R25.
Fruit trees is equal to 25.
25.
Number of fruit trees is equal to 25. Okay, that's the question. Class teachers. Teachers. Okay. Mark slip pass to class teachers. Subject wise. Yes, it's already taken. They have already taken. Subject wise. Subject wise mark list was given to all. All. Ask her to show. That. That class. They have to do it. Difficult. I didn't collect. Next question. See. Next question you see. Okay, this is over. Next slide we'll go for next slide. This one. Read the first question, children. Read the first question.
The teacher tells the class that highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score?
Yeah. Think of it. How can you frame an equation and tell me? First, what is the lowest score? So let it be x. Okay. So let the lowest score be equal to x.
2x plus 7. 2x plus 7 is
2x
equal to
plus
87.
7 is equal to 87.
Yes, yes. We'll do it. Okay. What you told us. So what is the what is the lowest score? Let the lowest score be. Let the lowest score equals x. Now,
X is
what is asked? Teacher told that her highest score, highest marks obtained is equal to,
and the answer is 4.
it is equal to, how much more? I can't read here. It is 4 more than 3 times the, yeah.
The
By a
answer is
student in her
4.
class. Twice the lowest
Ma'am, the
mark.
answer
Twice the lowest mark.
40.
Don't, wait. Let me explain. Answer is,
Ma'am,
4.
40.
yeah.
40.
Yeah. Yes. So now listen, others, those who have not done, listen to me. The teacher told that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is 2 times the lowest mark plus 7. So lowest mark is x. So what is the answer? Highest score is 87. 87 is equal to
2x plus 7.
twice the lowest. Twice the lowest mark, so 2x plus 7,
7.
isn't it? Plus 7. So we can rewrite it as 2x plus 7 is equal to 87.
80 divided by 2.
Equal to
Divided by 2
7.
equals 40.
2x is equal to 80.
80 divided by
80.
2.
Now x is equal to 80 by 2. X is equal to 40. Isn't it?
Yes.
So we can write
The answer is
x is
40.
equal to 40. Very good. Answer is 40. So we will write at last. What was the question? Highest score. How
The
many,
highest.
let the lowest score. Lowest score is equal to how much? Score is equal to 40. Final answer should be there. Okay, final answer should be there. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll see the next question. read the next question. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. You know what is an isosceles triangle? Base angles are equal. Now the vertex angle is given. It is given as
40 degrees.
it is given as 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? In an isosceles triangle, so let this be the isosceles triangle. What is the peculiarity of isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal, isn't it? Base angles will be equal. Two sides are also equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal in an isosceles triangle. These are called base angles. Base angles are there. Now vertex angle is given 40 degree. Vertex angle is 40 degree and the base angles we don't know. We are asked to find the base angles. What are base angles? See the question. And suppose that is the measure of base angles. So first step, let the base angles be, let the base angles is equal to how much? X. So here
2x
also X, here
plus
also
4
X.
is equal to
2x.
180.
Now we know,
Equal to 180.
yeah, we know, remember the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree together. So how can you form an equation?
2x plus
2x
40
plus
is equal
40
to
degree is
180.
equal to 180 degree.
Very good, very good. So we'll write 2x plus
40 degree.
40 plus the three angles add up to 180 degree. Angle sum property. 180 degree.
Ma'am, X.
Angle sum property.
70.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, X is 70.
Max is
X is 70. Good.
70.
So, listen. So, 40 plus 2x equals 180. And 2x will be what? 2x is equal to 180 minus 40.
70 is
180 minus 40. So, x is equal to 180 minus 40 is
140.
140. X is
135
equal.
to
So, x is equal to
70 degree.
70 degree. 70 degree.
Degree.
Karthik and all, are you getting this? Are you able to understand? When I took remedial class, some of them don't know why I am subtracting here. Okay, Hasher, are you getting these problems? Did you understand how to do it? I can't hear you. Show the book which you are doing. Show me the note which you are writing. Are you writing down any problems? Show, lift it up. I can see what you have written in that. I have to see what you have written in that. Anything you have written? Lift it little more higher. Nothing is written in that. Hasher? I can't see anything in that notebook. Book is there. Did you? Okay. Did you write it? Yeah. Next one. Next question. This next question you can read, I think. This, yeah, find out the answer. Last one's answer. Last one's, first you frame the equation and tell me. First you frame the equation and tell me. Question is, Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together, their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score?
Ma'am, runs fell 2 shots means
2 less.
2x minus
Ah,
x is equal to 200 minus 2.
200 minus 2, 198, isn't it? Okay, so what is it? Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So first you have to see what is the question asked. How many runs did each one score? Okay, so we both are specified. So we can write, let x be the runs scored by the lower person. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So let
99.
Rahul's runs, write it properly. Let the runs scored by Rahul. Let runs scored by Rahul let runs scored by Rahul equals x. So what is the runs scored by Sachin? Runs scored by Sachin equals
2x.
2x. 2 times x. Now together their runs. So together their runs together. Okay. Together their runs. So we can write together their runs means x plus 2x is equal to how much? 2 short of a double century. That means 2 less than a double century. What is double century?
200 runs minus 2, 198.
So 200 minus 2. Century means 100. So 200. 2 short of a double century. So 200. Hashir, sit properly. You are leading up. So what is x? X plus 2x is 3x.
99.
Very good. 3x is equal to 3x is equal to 2x plus x, 3x. 3x is equal to 198, isn't it? 198. 200 minus 2, 198. Now what is x? X is equal to
X is
198
equal to
by
66.
3. X is equal to 66. So our question is, see the question. Question is what? We are asked to find out the runs of each one. So we have to find out that also. We found x, but that doesn't mean it is the answer. We have to write. So runs scored
Run scored by Rahul is equal
runs
to 66.
scored by Rahul
Run scored by
equal to
Sachin is equal to
66, and runs scored by
Sachin
Sachin by
is equal
Sachin
to
is
132.
equal to
132.
66, 2x, isn't it? So we have to multiply by 2. So what will you get?
132.
132.
32.
32, isn't it? Okay. So we got the answer like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we'll pass on to the next slide that you have to think and tell me the answer. I think all of you have copied this problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, next one. Look at this question. Read the question in your mind. Solve the following riddle. It is a riddle. I am a number. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over and add a 50. To reach a triple century, you need 40. You need still 40. You still need a 40. So find out the equation for that. I am a number. So let the number be x. Okay. Then now
7x plus 50 equals 40.
7x is equal to 50.
7x plus 50 equal to 40.
no.
7x plus
300.
7x plus 50 equals 40.
Triple century means 300 it is.
300.
So see, I am a number. So I am a number.
7x plus
7x plus 300. Ma'am, 7x plus 300 is equal to 40.
No. I am a number. So let the number be
350.
x.
7x plus 350.
Take me 7 times over. So 7x. 7 times over and add a 50 to it. 50. We added 50.
7x plus 50.
To reach a triple century. What is triple century? 300.
300.
To reach 300, you still need a 40. So we add 40 also. Then only we will reach
Plus 40.
300. Isn't it? Then only we will reach 300. Okay. So what is, you have to understand. 7x plus 50 plus 40 is equal to 300. Now find out the answer.
40 plus 90.
X equals to 30.
X is equal to 30. Correct.
X is equal to 30, ma'am.
7x plus 50 plus 90.
Ma'am, is equal to 30.
Yeah. So 7x you will get 300 minus 90. 90. So what is it? 7x is equal
Mama,
to.
answer 30.
Very good. Answer
Mama,
is,
answer 30.
30. 30 is the answer.
answer is 30. Okay.
30.
So the number is 30. Okay. X is equal to 30. So the number is 30. Clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think today's class you understood. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am. It was wonderful class.
Huh?
It was wonderful class.
Okay. Thank you. I think you can stop here because I want to confirm once more with your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Today we have a material class.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow,
Ma'am, this
batch 2. Yes.
ma'am, this week no happy hours.
Yeah, it will be there. Monday is over. No, Monday holiday it was. So it will be on Friday sometimes.
Ma'am, it's today batch 1.
Batch 2. Batch 1 was over yesterday. So it will be for batch 2 next time. Okay. Batch 2 will be having the same, all the portions will be same. All the portions will be taken for all the batches. That is
If
why.
I am in batch 2,
That I have to check. Okay.
I
So let me,
forgot which batch was me.
I will send the students' names.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I have separated all the students. I'll send it together then. Batch 1, batch 2. Batch 3, I'll send together. You can decide. You can just write down your batch. So some of the students have entered late. I just want to put their attendance also. I'll call you once more. Okay, children. So today's class is over. I'll take the attendance. 7C. Don't make unpleasant voice here. I'm recording.